The RocRow L1800A3 DTF printer is an impressive solution for anyone serious about custom t-shirt printing. Built with versatility and convenience in mind, this direct-to-film (DTF) printer includes a complete package with a printer, oven, white ink, and film, allowing for vibrant, high-quality prints on both dark and light fabrics. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. The A3 printing size offers flexibility for various designs, making it perfect for creating unique t-shirts, tote bags, and other apparel. One of the standout features of the RocRow L1800 is its auto-cleaning system, which is a lifesaver for anyone who's experienced the hassle of frequent clogs in white ink printers. White ink often clogs nozzles, but the auto-cleaning function keeps everything running smoothly, minimizing the need for maintenance and ensuring consistent ink flow. The white ink capability is especially impressive, producing bright, vibrant colors that stand out beautifully on dark fabrics. The printing and transfer process is easy to follow, especially with the included oven and heat press, which streamline curing and ensure your designs transfer cleanly and securely to fabric. The films adhere well, resulting in durable, wash-resistant prints that don't fade or crack over time, even after repeated laundering. Performance-wise, the RocRow L1800A3 DTF printer is fast and efficient, allowing for high output without sacrificing quality. The included inks and films work seamlessly with the machine, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals in the apparel printing business. This printer package is a valuable investment for anyone looking to produce high-quality, lasting prints, and it delivers on both ease of use and durability. Highly recommended for serious custom apparel creators.